Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to another Colorado vlog. We are here in Creede, Colorado at the start of the trail to go over to the Rio Grande Reservoir. So we just got off the highway and got to the staging area. So getting unloaded right now, getting all our stuff put in the side-by-sides. So we rented two 4-seater side-by-sides this year. About to head over Stony Pass, go over to Animas Forks, maybe hit Cinnamon Pass over to American Basin. So it's gonna be a fun-filled day, but I do not have the four-wheeler with me. This is the first trip I've come out here without bringing, my four-wheeler in I don't know how long. But I actually sold the four-wheeler a few months ago, and I was like, well, let's just go in with the guys and rent these side-by-sides. So getting ready to load up and head down the trail, so stick with us. Getting packed up, loaded up.
That's cool. I like that.
These side-by-sides actually have kind of like pickup beds on them. It's kind of nice.
Oh, well, you'll find out when it's mine. It should full, so they should have topped it off.
Don't start that sucker. I would assume they.
Y'all ready for this?
Yes, sir. Here, let me get a.
All right, we made it over here to the Rio Grande Reservoir. So we're stopping for a second, check everything out, look at the sights, and adjust our bags in the back of the side-by-sides, everything like that. It's so still and quiet up here. I just got a tiny bit of breeze hit the back of my neck just now. This place is pretty amazing. Haven't been here since 2017. And we rode over Stony Pass to Animas Forks and then came back over Lost Trail on our four-wheelers. This will be my first time doing it on a side-by-side. So this is on the opposite side of the road from the reservoir. There's some really cool rock formations over here. If we have time on our way back, I may get the drone out again and fly up to, I don't know if you can see it, let me zoom in a bit. There's a big old rock right there that's kind of detached from the cliff face behind it. I've always wanted to go see what's up with that thing over there. I just flew over there with the drone, but I got really high above it, so you couldn't really see. But if we come back this way, if we get time, I'll take some more drone footage over here. So from here, we're getting ready to head over to Lost Trail Campground, and then from there, we'll be basically on Stony Pass. And so I'm gonna incorporate some GoPro footage once we get to that point, because right now it's just roads, dusty roads, so nothing really interesting. I charged all these batteries to 100%, and somehow between Oklahoma and here, they drained half the battery.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
You got your charger at the cabin?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so
here.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
This section's called the vasectomy.
Really? Explains it.
The sterilizer.
Kidney Stone Pass. We're getting impaled.
Yeah. I'm all shook up.
Now this is Stony Pass.
Yep.
Woo!
I kind of want to see Cross doing this.
Curb check.
This is a false down because we're gonna go right back up.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Here, I'll be your stabilizer.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, just hit my face.
It's overtaking 60
See, yeah, we're going straight.
Straight? Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Testing out the shocks.
Oh, this is Pole Creek, so we want to slow down.
Okay.
But sometimes we'll actually go back and forth and cross it a few times. Oh, it's way low.
Okay. We go through it?
Kind of lame, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, is this the thing you're talking about?
Or maybe this is the other creek. Okay.
Oh, the other
Pole
creek.
Creek should be a lot bigger than this. But
This is nothing.
Oh, man. Let's go swimming. Should we go that way?
yeah, let's just go up the rocks. Yep.
Get her done.
Lost his hat.
Oh, we did?
Pull over. This is back here.
Who did?
I
Dave
did.
You guys see his hat? You see his hat? Here, let me go look.
Automate. Alright, we got another side by side bro.
Who's right of way here?
Technically us. Alright, he's getting over.
Got one. Okay.
what's up, y'all? We made it up here to the summit of Stony Pass. We're taking a bit of a rest right now and eat some snacks, drinking some water. But I just came up here to this little high point off the trail, just walking around so I can see the sights. For where we are, this is usually crazy windy. But when I walked up to the top of this hill, there was like no wind at all. So anyway, this is the side that we just came up. So we started out, like I said, over on the Creede side at the Rio Grande Reservoir and went up Stony Pass. And there's parts of it that they've kind of graded and it's a lot smoother, but then there's parts that are really, really rough. I just noticed there's actually an old cabin down here. You can see the remnants of it anyway. But yeah. Up here for a little bit and then head on around. So the plan from here is to go down the other side of Stony, connect into the county road that goes over to Animas Forks, and then go over Cinnamon Pass to American Basin. It sounds like a bit of an undertaking, and we'll just kind of have to see how it goes. Look at the gas gauge on the way, and we obviously can't go any farther than our halfway point as far as fuel goes. So we're doing pretty good right now, but you know, doing things a little bit differently this time and taking our time kind of looking around and exploring. So it's been nice weather so far. There's some clouds, little darker clouds moving in now, but it feels great up here. I actually got cold between between where we unloaded and coming up here to connect into Stony. It was kind of cold, but it feels pretty good up here now. It's probably maybe high 60s, low 70s, something like that. But anyway, getting ready to pack up, get ready and strap everything down and head on down the mountain.